Good morning, class 2. How are you all today? I hope you are good. In this video, we are going to learn input and output devices. First of all, we will know that what is input device. So, the device that we used to enter data and give instruction to a computer are called input device, like keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, etc. Let's go through the input devices one by one. This is keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and popular input device. It helps in input data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter. There are some additional keys. Usually a keyboard has 104 keys. A keyboard comprises of the following keys: alphabet keys, numeric keys, function keys, special keys and cursor movement keys. Next input device is mouse. The mouse is also an input device. It is a hand-held device that controls a point on the screen. It helps us to move mouse pointer and to select icons on the screen. We can draw pictures from it. This is called scanner. Scanner is an input device. Through the scanner, we can insert any photograph and document into the computer. It's work like photocopy machine. It's microphone. Microphone is used to record voice, music and sound. This recording can store in a computer also. It's also a input device. Keyboard, mouse, scanner and microphone. These all are input devices. Through all these things, we can put our data in the computer. Now we are going to learn about output devices. The devices that a computer uses to show the result of processing is called output devices, like monitor, printer, speaker and headphones. This is called monitor. Monitor is the main output device. It provides the visual display of the instruction that the computer is getting. We can watch movie, images and our inserted data on the screen of monitor. It's printer. The results of computer program can be printed on paper with the help of printer. It's an output device. We can print our documents, images through printer. The printout is known as hard copy. Generally, there are two types of printer in use: color printer and black and white printer. Speakers. We can listen music or any sound on a computer through the speakers. Most computers have speakers attached to them. And last one is headphone. Headphone are small speakers that are work over the ear so that the sound from the computer goes into the ear of the person working the headphone. We use the headphone to listen music without disturbing other people around us. Monitor, printer, speakers and headphone. These all are output devices. Through all these devices, we can see our data, we can print and listen music or sound. Some more output devices like hard disk, pen drive and CD, DVD, external hard disk are used as storage device. Chapter 3 is finished. Here we learn input and output device. I have find some stand for you. See here the stand for CPU, Central Processing Unit, CD, Compact Disc, DVD, Digital Versatile Disc, MMC, Multimedia Card, PC, Personal Computer, DTP, Desktop Publishing. You have to learn it, and second work is find all the input and output devices. For input devices, for output devices, you have to write down in your copy. We will solve the exercise of this chapter on next video. Thank you. Goodbye.